you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting into a review. Now this review is not something that's new on the market, but it is new to me. Okay, so we are getting into the Head and Shoulders Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir brand. And so this Head and Shoulders is the brand that is made for it's the Royal Crown Head and Shoulders, which is pretty much kind of geared more to the African American culture as far as hair and things goes. It definitely changes up the ingredients and things that are different from the regular Head and Shoulders to treat exactly what a lot of African American women or if men use it, but I do think they have a men brand, exactly what they need in their scalp. So, as you guys already know, that I do suffer with dry scalp. That my scalp is very flaky, and so I have been working on trying to figure out how to pretty much improve the health of my scalp. So if you have watched any, well, I only have one hair routine where I actually do use the apple cider vinegar rinse on my scalp to kind of scrub it all through, and that works good as well, but it still does have times where my hair is just extremely flaky, and so for me, grease doesn't really work. I do kind of put oil, but you have to kind of be careful when you have dry scalp, because a lot of times what it does is just kind of makes the flakes kind of sticky, and it doesn't really get it up good. So I really kind of try to put more of the oil on my scalp, on my actual strands, more than my actual scalp. So I ran across this. I had been seeing this commercial numerous times on TV, and I decided to give it a try. Now this can be found in Target, Walmart, grocery stores, Amazon, or your local beauty store.